In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ticket on HubSpot. Now to do this, you want to go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left, you want to go to CRM and hover over it, and then you want to click on tickets. This is going to open up the tickets menu over here, where you can then go and add your tickets and create them that way. So either import them from a data file, which I currently don't have, so I'm going to go and add one. You can click on add ticket over here, or you can go and click on add tickets over here in the top right. So I'm going to click on add ticket, and then from here you can just create one. You can give it whatever name you want. I'm going to name this one tutorial ticket, but of course it's up to you. And then here you can also go and select the pipeline. I'm going to keep this as support pipeline. Ticket status is going to be new, and then ticket description is going to be tutorial ticket for the video, like this. You can do whatever you want here. Source, I'm going to put it as chat, and then ticket owner, you can of course put the ticket owner as well, and then the priority as well, which for me is going to be high. Create date, here I'm actually going to put it as August 1st, 2026, and then you can associate this ticket with different contacts, companies, and stuff like that. When you're done, you can hit the create button to create one, or if you want to create and add another, you can click on over here as well. Once you've done this, your ticket has been created just like this, and you can see all the details in here. And if I go back to tickets, you'll see the list of your tickets has now been updated, and there's a new ticket over here. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.